Hello everyone, today my recipe is seafood with vermicelli salad. Yes, for this food it's very easy and not take time. And for ingredient I have vermicelli. Yeah, I have vermicelli and I have fish sauce and basil. Yeah, shrimp and also pork and red onion. Now let's enjoy cooking with me, everyone. Okay, I first have to boil water. And when water is cooked, I have to add vermicelli. I cook it maybe 2 minutes. And then I take it out of the pot. And next I boil shrimp. For shrimp I cook it 2 minutes also. And at last I boil pork. For pork I boil it for 8 minutes. Make sure that it cook 100% cook. Because raw meat is not good for hair. Okay, now it's done all. Okay, now I start to make a salad. And at first I add pork, shrimp, red onion, and fish sauce. For fish sauce I blend it with onion, with chili, and lemongrass. And now mix it together. For the taste, if you want spicy, you can add chili. Okay, now I add some chicken powder inside. Okay, and at last I add vermicelli. Okay, now I mix it together. I add some basil. Okay, now ready for my food. Yes, everyone, how do you think with this food in the plate? ready? Yeah. Let's test with me, okay, everyone? So nice with the test. Everyone, if you want to eat, don't forget cook by yourself. It is really easy to cook and it really has seafood also. And thank you so much for your watching my channel. Let's see next video.